Space is vast, mysterious, and sometimes terrifying. Each of these images tells a story of isolation, emptiness, and the unimaginable forces at play beyond our reach. They remind us of just how small and vulnerable we really are in the depths of the cosmos. In this video, I will be showing you the scariest real images we've captured beyond our world. A deep field image is a detailed photo taken by telescopes like Hubble or JWST, focusing on a small, seemingly empty patch of sky for days or weeks. By collecting faint light over this time, the image reveals thousands of incredibly distant galaxies, often billions of light years away. Deep field images are eerie because they show thousands of galaxies in what looked like an empty part of the sky. Each galaxy could hold billions of stars and planets, and yet most are so far away that their light takes billions of years to reach us, meaning we're seeing them as they were in the ancient past, possibly long gone or transformed by now. The overwhelming scale, combined with the darkness between these galaxies, confronts us with how isolated and small we are, leaving a haunting reminder of the mysteries that lie beyond human reach. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm on Jupiter that's been raging for at least 350 years. It's over 1.3 times the size of Earth, meaning you could fit our entire planet inside it with room to spare. The scale alone is terrifying, as it shows the immense power of Jupiter's atmosphere, capable of sustaining a storm that could engulf Earth and continue swirling for centuries without end. The Face on Mars is a famous photo taken by NASA's Viking 1 orbiter in 1976, showing what appeared to be a massive face sculpted on the Martian surface. It sparked theories about ancient civilizations and alien life, as it looked eerily like a human face staring back at us. Later, images with better resolution revealed it was just a natural formation, shaped by shadows and lighting. Still, the idea of seeing something so human-like on an alien planet is unsettling and reminds us of how much we don't know about the universe. The Dark Dunes photo taken by the Curiosity rover shows shadowy sand dunes stretching across the Martian horizon. These dunes are made of dark basaltic sand and shaped by Mars's strong winds, towering higher than a two-story building. What makes the image so unsettling is the way these alien dunes dominate the barren red landscape, evoking a sense of isolation and danger. The thought of standing in such an empty, hostile environment, where even the sand seems ominous, adds to the photo's eerie and haunting quality. The Pillars of Creation is a stunning image of towering clouds of gas and dust in the Eagle Nebula, captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. These pillars are regions where new stars are forming, shaped by intense radiation and stellar winds. What's truly scary isn't the pillars themselves, but their unimaginable size. They stretch about 4 to 5 light years tall, meaning just one pillar could encompass our entire solar system many times over. The sheer scale reminds us of how small we are compared to the vast, chaotic processes that shape the universe. The first real picture of a black hole was taken in 2019 by the Event Horizon Telescope, showing the supermassive black hole at the center of the M87 galaxy. The image revealed a glowing ring of light surrounding a dark shadow, the event horizon, where not even light can escape. It's eerie because it confirms the existence of these cosmic monsters that warp space and time, swallowing anything that gets too close. What's even more fascinating is how it relates to the Interstellar movie. In 2014, the filmmakers worked with physicists to create a scientifically accurate visualization of a black hole. When the real image was revealed years later, It looked surprisingly similar to the movie's depiction. The movie essentially predicted what we'd see, making the discovery even more surreal and awe-inspiring. In 1984, astronaut Bruce McCandless made history by performing the first untethered spacewalk, floating freely in space without being connected to anything. He used a new device on his spacesuit called the Manned Maneuvering Unit, or as you might recognize it, a jetpack. During this daring spacewalk, McCandless drifted 90 meters, which is 295 feet, away from the Space Shuttle Challenger, and the crew captured this eerie photo of him alone in the vast emptiness of space. This image isn't a picture of the Boötes Void. Instead, it's a photo of Barnard 68, a dark molecular cloud in our galaxy that blocks the light of stars behind it. The Boötes Void, on the other hand, is a massive cosmic region almost entirely empty of galaxies. We can't take a direct photo of it like this, but I included this image to help visualize the unsettling emptiness of voids in space. Vast regions where the universe feels eerily quiet and desolate. The Day the Earth Smiled is a photo taken by the Cassini spacecraft in 2013, showing Saturn and its rings from deep space. But what makes it truly eerie is that, hidden in the image, is Earth, a tiny, faint dot over 1 billion kilometers away. This image reminds us how small and fragile our planet is in the vast emptiness of space. It's humbling and unsettling to see our entire world reduced to a single pixel, surrounded by the cold, infinite void of the cosmos. It emphasizes just how isolated we are in the universe. The pale blue dot is a photo of Earth taken by the Voyager 1 spacecraft in 1990 from 6 billion kilometers away. In the image, Earth appears as a tiny, faint dot suspended in a sunbeam against the vast darkness of space. What makes it scary is the overwhelming scale it represents. Our entire planet, all its history, humanity, and life, fits into a single speck, barely visible in the immense void.